Hi, good afternoon. I'm Craig, and I will be doing a peer review analysis for Wang. And we will meet on Monday, I guess, and we can go over this a little bit more. But for now, I just have a few suggestions as far as what you did right and what I saw that might be worked on. As far as your strengths are concerned, what I think that you did was you demonstrated that you knew what the conflict was in the case study and what Jess's problem was, or you laid that out of very clearly what your knowledge was, and I think that you set that up pretty well in your thesis. You also identified who your key stakeholders were. I do think that you did that very well. As far as things that could be used to strengthen your case study, one of the things that I saw was that you could relate examples of leadership styles that we learned in Zarumba, which is this book. That way, you can. One of the things of the assignment was to use things that we found in our in our book. So, in order to use that, you can cite more of those examples in your case study. Not only using from the case study itself, but in the book, it's going to strengthen your argument. Whether or not you think that Jess was acted correctly or act correctly or not, you can use those. You can justify what you're saying by pointing to the book or the case study itself. One of the other places where you can use to strength or you can revise would be to again, you're synthesizing the information that you're finding both in the chapter work and the case study, and again, you're citing it in your case study. Also, you can use those things to predict the reaction that the sales reps and the regional sales directors will have based on her second attempt. Whether or not you think that is a right path to go down or a bad path to go down, you can use the answers to justify and fortify your opinion on the matter. So again, by citing those examples that you find in the chapter work, I think can be very powerful in delivering your analysis. All right, I will see you on Monday, and thank you very much.